December pa kami nakauwi dito, pero January 1 na. Ngayon pa lang ako nakalabas ng bahay. Nandito kami ngayon sa El Circulo sa Rojas City. And ang ganda ng view. Ayun, hindi ako nakakapag-vlog masyado kasi hindi ako nakakapag-upload din. Ang hirap din kasi. Sobrang hina ng internet. Para sa New Year, nag-end na yung 2020. Sana ang 2021 is better year for us. Para sa vlog na to, ayan, papakita ko lang lahat ng mga naging bloopers ko. Enjoy! Happy New Year!
Welcome back to my channel. Pero kung bago ka pa lang dito, welcome! Sabi ko tayo sa welcome. Ulit. Thanks for watching! Ulit. Nag-blank mo ako. So ayun, ito na ang finished? Finished?
Tapos sabi mo kanina pa yun, sabi mo, din sa next video ko, tapos sa preview.
Ang tutorial na to is actually kabaliktaran ng fold-up braid. Check out. And that's it for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the Putra, guys. For more Ano ba?
For today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do the rope twist. Pero kung gusto mong tight, ang loose mo. Pero kung gusto mong... For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 5... And for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 different kinds. Ay, low butt. Okay, we will... Okay, we will be... You will... You will make an entrance. Ano ba? You... Tatagal ako dito sa kaka-English ko. We're doing it. Also, remember that you have to get a hair to also remember that you have to get hair in the middle, not on the back, not in the front. Here in the middle, so that your fishtail. So, hatiin muna natin sa dalawa to, sa gitna. Tapos, ilulusot natin yung buhok.
Hi guys! So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng baby.
Naka-record na yan.
Ay, naka-record? Ala! Busy!
And that's it for today. Ulit. That's it for today. For more hairstyle. And for more...
Gana!
Ala, uy, andito yung mic.
Ala! Ganda.
Kulit. Thanks, bye! Umutok ka?
Ano mo ako pinagyan?
Intro pa.
For today's tutorial, I'm going to be making a baby. Do not touch my mother. Bree.
For today's tutorial, I will be Nagawa ko na rin to sa ulo.
Sa ulo. Yung ulo yung inigot.
It's called okay, basta check out yung comment nyo din.
Yummy!
Anong pinaggagawa ko sa buhok ko? Patay na yung buhok ko. Ang tigas! Aray ko.
Ate,
Guys. For more hairstyle ideas like this. But before we proceed to the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to But before we proceed to the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever But before we proceed, ito ang ibaban natin. Okay. Depende sa inyo kung anong klaseng ban. So, kung depende sa inyo kung anong klaseng ban ang gusto nyo gawin. Meron akong And that's it for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this. What happened? Bye! See you next week. Ay, sala. Another hair. Sinapupuhan tayo na. Ay. Naingat ko bala ah. Wala ako sa mood. Eh, bilat-bilat ina mo na utod. Hindi pa ako tapos. For more hairstyle, check out my... Always remember, for more hairstyle ideas, make sure to subscribe to my picture. And that's it. Ayan, so in-expose ko na yung sarili ko. Nakita niyo yung mga imperfections, mga mistakes, and bloopers. Sa lahat ng mga video tutorials na ginawa ko, hindi talaga mawawalang mga bloopers na yan. Lagi talagang may mali, laging may mga palpak. So this video is supposed to be uploaded at the end of 2020. Kaso hindi nga siya umabot. Kaya late upload na siya. But nevertheless, thank you po sa 371 subscribers na sumuporta po sa channel ko. Sana dumami pa tayo and sana lumaki pa yung pamilyang to. Ang channel na to, yan. Thank you po sa 371 subscribers. Hope you are all well, keep safe, and have a better 2021. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking my picture over here, and subscribe to my vlog channel by clicking my picture over here. Check out my previous tutorial down here, and here's a random video from my vlog channel. Always remember that your life isn't perfect, but your hair can be. Thanks! Bye!